SAP Business Objects Explorer is the deep dive analysis tool that comes with SAP Business Objects. With that, you can do a number of different things. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to open up an information space. And as you can see, this data that we've been looking at in the past is now displayed in different facets, which we call dimensions. And also different measures are available. So we can look at the number of occurrences of rows inside the database, a count, or we can do a sum of our sales revenue, which we'll look at right here. And as you can see, as we switch between the two, the columns, the numerical values change. Now if we want to filter it, there's a number of different ways that we can do this. So for example, if we want to look at 2004, 2005, and 2006 data, but we only want to look at it for quarter one, we simply double-click, and we can see now the data is shown as well. I can also change how I show it to another dimension. So now this is quarter one by all of it. Or if I want to look at a comparison between the three, what I can do is I can choose by month, and I can now see how the different items sell by month. Now if I'm not particularly happy with this trend, with this look, I can simply switch to a different visualization. Okay. Or I can show it as a percentage in a pie chart, so I can see what my biggest components are there as well. And if I'm done with this filter, I can simply remove it. Click Add here, and I can choose multiple values for my store name. So let's choose everything that's in California. And so now, as you can see now, my values have changed here as well. So I have 37% done in sweat t-shirt sales. And as you can see, the only state that is available now for me is California. And I have my different years. So I can just look at 2005 for those stores. Or I can switch to another chart. And now I can present this data to someone else. When I'm ready to present this data to someone else, it's very easy. I can either export it out as data, as a CSV file, out to Excel, to Web Intelligence, or I can actually just publish the image I want myself, and I can email that out. Another option to allow my consumers to further dive down into the data once I've chosen a starting point for them, I can create a view set, and it'll build it with the filters that I had available. I can also bring in the numbers themselves, and I can change from occurrences to sales revenue, or whatever measures you might have. And this gives us now both the data that we're looking for, as well as a graphical presentation of that data. I can then save this out to my repository. And now all of my users can now see exactly where I started from. And when they open it up, they can view this and simply dive deeper into the data.